What's going on YouTube? It's your boy John B. Come back to you guys with a brand new haircut tutorial. First off, I just want to tell everybody happy Thanksgiving. Hope you guys are filling their stomachs and just enjoying your day off if you guys are working. If you guys aren't working, but if you guys are working, keep grinding. Hopefully you guys get to spend time with your guys' family after. Now time to get down to this haircut. Here I'm doing a mid-bald fade on my boy Justin. He's also a barber in Hawaii. And I'm just trimming his hair down a little bit on top. Next, this is how I do my comb overs. I like to pin the hair up just so it's not in the way when you start to fade the hair. And I always cut down the top first before I start blending the sides. That's just how I learned from the very beginning, and I just feel like it works. Next, I'm gonna go with my Oster Fast Feeds. They're modified to create your first guideline. And then right after that, I'm gonna hit it with the Andes TL liners and get it bald. Next, I'm gonna hit it with the Andes shaver. In my opinion, these are the best shavers out there for you beginners that need a opinion. I feel like these are the best shavers to get really close, and when they're fully charged, they're faster than I feel like they're faster than the wall clippers, wall balders, and just any other balder. Next, I'm gonna hit it with the 3 close on the wall seniors, and here I'm gonna be blending down just like my last video. So I'm gonna go from the number 3 on the wall cordless, and then I'm gonna go straight to my fast feeds 2 closed, and then I'm gonna hit it with the 1 open, then blend down. And when you're going with the number 3, 2, and 1.5, I try to like not really fade too much, more like just create a base, and then it's the same exact steps until you hit the last guideline. So when you're blending down, just try not to go as high with the previous step that you did. As you can see, I'm using a lot of the corner to get rid of that last guideline. And for his hair, he actually has really good hair when it comes to comb overs. It's just that it just doesn't lay flat sometimes, but in this video we got it to lay flat. So you see how I'm using the corners? You have to really play with the corner, play with the lever, and your angles of the way you hold the clipper. I can't really tell you how I do it because everybody has their own preference, but this is how I do it in the video. Moving on to the next side, I practically do the same exact steps. So comment down below what's your guys' favorite haircut to do. Mine is either 8 or down on a bald fade. I really like doing fades, meaning without like pompadours or anything like that, just regular basic fade haircuts. I was in that phase when comb over first came out where I just love doing comb overs. I still do love doing comb overs, but I just love doing a basic fade because it's so fun to me. But comment down below what's your guys' favorite haircuts are to do. finish with the blend, I go back and I use my clipper over comb technique just to get any long hairs that are sticking out, or if some of the sides are uneven. And like this, with this technique, you have to use different angles, and you can freehand too if you want to. And now I'm just gonna start lining him up. These are my Slimline Pro LIs. I got them sharpened, and these are my main hitters. I really need to get a new engine for them because I've had them for so long, but I'm gonna keep the same blade. And if you guys want to know how I sharpen them, then just go ahead and go on to richbarber.com and get that sharpener. It's only $25, but it's a really good investment. And if you guys have any other sharpened blades that you guys know about and you guys recommend, put it down below also. I would love to try new clippers or new blades. And yeah, hopefully that helps you guys out. Next, I'm just gonna finish lining him up. Now when you're straight razoring, for you beginners out there, to not cut the client, just pull the skin away from the direction you're razoring. It's honestly really simple. This is my most favorite thing to do when I first started cutting hair. And when you razor parts, for me, I like to spray water, or if you have like any kind of aftershave, just because I feel like it kind of helps it like it's a little smoother, just so you don't get too rough with the client if they have like rough skin. So here I'm just gonna get his hair wet and get it ready to blow dry. And when you blow dry in the direction that you want the hair to lay down on. And his hair is really good. Like I said, his hair is trained to be in a comb over already, so I don't really have to do too much. I just get it dry before I put it in the product. And in this video for him, I'm using Elegance gel. If you guys don't have that, I really do recommend it because it's pretty solid, one of the higher brands on the market, and it's really cheap, and it's like it's heavy, so it can lay down stubborn hair, as you can see right here. So that's pretty much the end of the video. I'm just gonna comb it in the direction of a comb over. And if you guys want to have a few laughs, there's a little blooper that my boy wanted to photobomb. So go ahead and enjoy that. Other than that, it's your boy John B. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you guys all. Happy Thanksgiving, and I'm out.